Two high converting email angles every business owner should be using. Now, chances are you are leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table because you're probably only sending one type of email, okay? And you don't have to worry about that because in today's video, I'm going to break down the the two powerful email angles that can consistently get your subscribers converted or turn your subscribers into buyers. But before we dive into the video, do me a favor, hit the like button, okay? So let's break this down. Now, if you have got an email list but you're seeing no results, it's probably not because of your offer, and it's probably not because maybe your email list is dead or something like that, but it's probably because you are missing two critical angles from your emails. And the angle number one is the problem agitate email. Now, people have their own definition of the problem agitation emails, but here's what it really means, okay? So let's break this down. So most people send emails that just describe what they offer, but here's what works more better, okay? Remind your subscribers of specific problem they are facing, then agitate by showing them what happens if they don't solve the problem or if they don't solve the pain point. So for example, if you're a business coach or maybe a consultant, okay, don't just say that I help coaches maybe get clients. So instead, what you have to do is that you just paint them a picture, okay? You give them how the problem, show them that you understand their problem or their pain point, and then you agitate the problem, you agitate the process. How? By showing them what happens if they don't solve the problem or the pain point. So for example, you can say that you're posting content every single day, but your DMs are empty. You're painting the picture. Another week goes by and you're still trading time for money with no systems in place. How much longer can you keep this up? Then after you introduce your problem and then agitate it by telling them or showing them what happens if they don't solve it, then you present your solution or your offer or whatever you are offering in that email, okay? Now, why does this work? Why does this angle work? This angle works because people buy when the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the cost of change, which is what this angle does, okay? It makes them feel the pain of staying the same, okay? And it amplifies it, showing that if they still want to stay the same, is going to cost them something, okay? Moving down to the second angle, which is the success story email. Here what you have to understand is that people don't just want to know what your offer is or what your solution is. They want proof that it actually works, okay? Or even it has worked for someone else who is just in the same position or was in the same position as them, okay? So instead of pitching, tell a story. Now if you don't know how to tell a story, I have a video in my YouTube channel down there. You can just check it out, okay? How to structure your stories, what stories should you tell. It's everything is just explained there in detail. Everything is there, so go check it out, okay? So instead of pitching, okay, tell a story. Share how one of your clients went from struggling with the pain point or the exact same problem that your subscriber is going through or your current target audience is going through, and show them the results, show them the transformation, and show them what happened next, okay? So make it specific, use numbers, timelines, real obstacles, transformation pictures, whatever you have, just to prove them that it actually works or it can actually work for them. So yeah, you can even use success stories, okay? And again, why does this angle work better? Well, this angle works better because it removes the doubt in the mind of your target audience. Now, what does that mean, okay? So here's what it means. When your subscriber sees themselves in that story, the story that you're telling them, they think and they feel that you understand them, okay? It's like if it worked for someone else, if he took someone else from one pain point to the other and he has the solution, they believe that you have the solution, okay? It can work for them too. So there you have it, okay? Start using and rotating these two angles in your email sequences and then watch how versions go up, okay? But if you want the exact templates for both of these two angles, drop a comment below and I will send them to you, like directly to you. But if this helped you in a certain way, you got value from this, hit that subscribe button, press like, and see you on the next one. Peace.